Hey fashion lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Mode. Morning, good afternoon, good evening according to your time and your location. You are most welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are visiting on my YouTube channel for the first time, then make sure you subscribe, and if you have already subscribed, then don't forget to press the bell icon for more designs, for more collections and for more notifications. So how are you guys? I hope all of you doing good and enjoying best condition of your health. Today in this video I'm showing you very attractive, fantastic and outstanding collection of leather and latex mini skirts. These are very amazing, dynamic and can go with any outfit. This is for those ladies, women and girls who love to wear these leather mini skirts. This is for special occasions like weddings, proms, formal events, get together, as well as for kiddies parties. This is for party wear, for wedding wear, for daily work wear. If you are a going lady, then these options are perfect for you because these options are endless. You can wear these leather mini skirts 7 to 8 hours easily because these mini skirts are made from high quality of leather. These are very flexible, comfortable, stylish, elegant and easy to wear. So friends, if you're loving these and if you want to buy these very trendsetter collection of leather mini skirts, then I will tell you the best website for you can buy this online. Before telling you the website, please subscribe my channel, and if you have already subscribed, then don't forget to press the bell icon for more designs, for more collections and for more notifications. In this way you will never miss my any video and collection of my channel. And guys, there's tons of exciting content waiting for you on my YouTube channel, so be sure to check it out. Follow me for fashion inspiration, styling tips, leather outfit ideas like bodycon dresses, mini skirts, midi skirts, leather low knee boots, leather high knee boots, etc. So my dear friends, the website from where you can buy these marvelous collection of leather mini skirts online are amazon.com, aliexpress.com, alibaba.com, timo.com and many the best websites. You can buy these very easily at any cost, at any brand. So friends, if you're loving this, then please do like my video, and there is humble request that please watch this video till the end and share this video with your friends, with your family members and social media also. If you have any doubt, then the comment section is available for you. You can comment freely at any time. You can also ask any question. Let us know in the comment section that which one is your favorite, because you can see guys, all of these designs are good and perfect in this my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like my video, don't forget to share my video, don't forget to press the bell icon, and don't forget to tell me in the comment section that how was the video, how was the design and how was the content. Tell me in the comment section. Also give your feedback. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep visiting my channel, keep supporting, keep watching my videos. So goodbye dear friends, till the next video. See you soon with new elegant, adorable and fantastic content and collection. So goodbye, take care.